Cats and dogs with their famous humans. Salvador Dali with his Ocelot Babu. Kurt Cobain and his kitten Quisp. Alfred Hitchcock with his Sealyham Terrier Sarah. Freddie Mercury with one of his many cats. Paul McCartney and his English sheepdog Martha. Elvis Presley and his hound dog. Jack Kerouac and Tyke. Franklin Roosevelt and his black terrier Fala. Billie Holiday and her loyal companion Mr. Audrey Hepburn and another Mr. Famous. James Dean with Marcus, gift he received from Elizabeth Taylor. Frank Sinatra with his dog Ringo. Humphrey Bogart and Mac, the Scottish Terrier. John Lennon and Yoko Ono with a black feline friend. Marilyn Monroe and Math. Pablo Picasso with his cat and wiener dog Lump. Stephen King and his corgi Marlowe. Winston Churchill with one of his buddies Rufus. Elizabeth Taylor and her dogs. Kurt Vonnegut with his dog Pumpkin. Lucille Ball and her spaniels. Bridget Bardot and her black spaniels.